All right, so here's another example of Kirchhoff's voltage law. So recall that Kirchhoff's voltage law states that the sum of the voltages around a loop is equal to 0. And Ohm's law states that V equals IR, and we typically use this to help us remember that, V equals IR. So what if I give you a current source and 3 resistors, and the value of the current source is 3 amps, and the value of the resistors is 1 ohm, 4 ohms, and 5 ohms, and I want to find the voltage across the current source. So once again, we draw a clockwise current being delivered from the source, and then I put plus and minus on each of my resistors so that they obey the passive sign convention. So the voltage across resistor 1 is going to be 1 times 3, which is 3 volts. The voltage across the 4 ohm resistor is going to be 4 times 3, which is 12 volts. And the voltage across the 5 ohm resistor is going to be 5 times 3, which is 15 volts. So the voltage across the source, because it has to obey Kirchhoff's voltage law, is going to be the voltage across the 1 ohm plus the voltage across the 4 ohm plus the voltage across the 5 ohm. So 3 plus 12 plus 15 means that that source has 30 volts across it.